Winter is coming, but that doesn't mean your tomato garden has to stop thriving. Hi there, gardeners, I'm your name. And today I'm sharing 25 genius gardening ideas to keep your tomato plants strong and healthy through the cold season. The first thing to do is prep your garden bed for winter. Start by clearing away any dead leaves and debris around your tomato plants. This will reduce the risk of pests and diseases overwintering in the soil. After that, add a layer of compost or well-rotted manure around the base of your plants. This provides nutrients during the colder months, ensuring your tomatoes stay nourished. If you live in a region where frost is common, protecting your tomato plants from freezing is crucial. Frost covers or floating row covers are a great solution. They trap heat from the soil, keeping your plants warm during cold nights. You can also get creative and use DIY solutions like old blankets or sheets to cover your plants on especially cold nights. One of the best ways to help your tomato garden thrive in winter is by mulching. A thick layer of straw, leaves, or wood chips acts as insulation, keeping the soil temperature steady and locking in moisture. If you have a greenhouse or cold frame, now's the time to use it. These structures create a controlled environment that helps tomatoes thrive even in colder temperatures. In winter, you need to adjust your watering routine. Since water evaporates slower in cold weather, overwatering can lead to root rot. Water your tomatoes only when the soil is dry to the touch. And remember, always water in the morning to allow the soil to dry out before nighttime temperatures drop.
Know you've been a good friend.
Pruning your tomato plants in winter helps them conserve energy. Remove any dead or diseased branches, and lightly prune the tops to focus the plant's energy on the healthy stems. Not all tomato plants are suited for winter growing. Cold-hardy varieties like Siberian and glacier tomatoes are more likely to thrive in lower temperatures. Another great tip is to use grow lights. These not only provide extra light but also give off warmth that helps your tomato plants survive the colder days. Why not move some of your tomato plants indoors? Growing tomatoes inside gives you better control over the temperature, light, and watering, ensuring healthy growth throughout winter. Use large pots and place them near sunny windows for the best results. Tomatoes still need feeding in winter, but less frequently. Use a balanced fertilizer once a month to give them the nutrients they need to stay productive. Text overlay. Tip number 14. Feed with balanced fertilizer once a month.
Know you've been a good friend.
Companion planting works even in winter. Plant garlic, onions, or spinach near your tomatoes. These crops can help ward off pests and even improve the health of your tomato plants. Don't forget to harvest your tomatoes before any hard frost sets in. Ripening them indoors is an easy way to extend your harvest season. Lastly, use cover crops like clover or rye to protect your soil over winter. This keeps your garden bed healthy and ready for planting next spring. There you have it, 25 genius tips to help your tomato garden thrive during winter. Whether you're mulching, pruning, or moving plants indoors, these ideas will keep your tomatoes healthy and productive no matter how cold it gets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips all year round. Happy gardening, everyone!